Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. Let's see, it is about to be day 23 of Advent of Code, which means it is about to be the 23rd of December in Eastern Time. And we're back for yet another stream. Is today the maze day? No, there's no. It's too late for a maze. We have a special guest today. If they're coming, we'll see. Is she being a sweetie? Look who we've got today, chat. We got little Tofu, who's not chomping me today. Look at that. Look at how nice Tofu's being. Yeah, you're on the camera. Look, who's that pupper? Who's that? Who's that? Do you see that pupper? I see a new plush. Alright, let me say hi to everyone. Michaela was here first, and Rollers was after Michaela. We've also got Unlimited Bites. We've got I Satisfied, Ethan Timing. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hey, what's up, Python? Carver gets all the love these days. Let's give Python some more loving. G says, being first is like showing up 40 minutes early to a party and the host is getting out of the shower. Is that what we're doing on the stream?
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
And then G says, Michaela says, Juice, are you saying to get to see Anthony naked? I think that's against the terms. You say that like we wouldn't all love to be waiting to get out of the shower.
Oh, wow. Chat is bonkable today. How are there no bonks out of that?
Right? The ultimate button. Michaela is gonna go pick up her little sister. Sounds good. Hey, what's up, Drunk Time Lord? Hello, hello. Dota says, whoa, Juicebot got real aggro. Defending her territory.
What? How is that aggro? How are you territory? What?
15 minutes until brain dead because the challenge is too hard. I'm hoping it's not a hard one. But that means I should get set up. Let's see, CP-R, day 00 to day 23, Babby, part 1. Scroll down to the sample input, and CD day 12. That's not the right number. Python, no, PyTest part 2.py, and Python part 2.py. FC 2 to 1, yes, yes. And download input 2020-23. Okay, cool. We're good. Is Tofu just gonna hang out on my bed? Waiting for my hello patiently. How's it going, Dota? I think I said hi to you. Ethan says it's the first time I've seen Tofu. It's true, it's true. We do have Tofu. You're being so chill. This is what happens when you go for a walk, isn't it? Two walks. X3 on Linux, how's it going? He's looking at you like, why have you stopped scratching me? Yeah, she did. Yeah, she did. Little cutie. 15 minutes until I find out if I beat yesterday's record of how many times I can misread the instructions. Oh no. You've forgotten your button-up. Oh, I don't have enough button-up shirts to do it every single day. Ain't nobody gonna bonk me. Chat got a generic bonk. What's up, kallosz Z? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Juice got so aggro she bought a farm. You bought a farm?
Property.
You bought a farm?
I don't know. Farm.
Outlander says, serious, how to quit games cold turkey as a programmer, considering you spend all your time on a PC anyway. Also love the doggo in the back. I mean, I still play video games occasionally. I don't really have time to play them as much as I used to. Are you like, why is that man's talking so much? He usually shuts up. You're mad that I'm talking so much? You're eating the little thread on my bed. Perfect.
Don't.
Does the bonk not work on replies? It doesn't currently. Because the regex doesn't work properly, so replies don't get noticed by the bot. I need to fix that at some point. The reason is they end up looking like this, and the bot doesn't know the difference. between this and a message that looks like this. There is actually a little marker in the message that I can use to figure out whether it's a reply or not, but for now it just looks like this, and so that's why I haven't done that. I hope it's a hard one, as I never get points on the easy ones, says Valakodari. Yeah, I mean, I've gotten points on both hard and easy ones, but I don't know. I feel like I'm best at the medium hard ones. It's a Bizens. Hello, hello. I'm just gonna trust her to lay there. Okay, all right.
I'm watching her.
Yeah, I know. No, I mean, I'm just surprised she's staying put. Usually she's all over the place. Oh,
Very tired.
you're so precious. You're so precious.
She's making herself look real good of her.
Who is the red plush? Oh, that's Rexy. Rexy's one of the rejects that Juice what's the word? Banished to the other room for being less good.
Sharp.
For being spiky. It was also spiky. Boat dog, boat dog, boat dog. What does that mean? Have you played Overwatch? I have not played Overwatch. Just program your Python to become sentient. It says you probably need JavaScript to become sentient? Why would you need JavaScript to become sentient? I only got points on the hard ones, because on the easy ones I do so dumb errors like yesterday and spent 20 minutes debugging that I had not cast the numbers. Oh, are you writing in JavaScript, Unlimited Bytes? Hey, what's up, Kristen22? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. You said rejects. Oh, not regex. I see, I see. I understand now. Rejects and regex actually sound pretty close to each other. Oh, okay. We're down to our last 8 minutes. I feel like I got not much done today. Yeah. I wanted to get some stuff done, but then I took a nap instead. So Juice is totally a healer. Yeah, you are a healer. Yeah. She doesn't have a carry bone in her body. Pretty sure you do carry as the healer.
It's kind of hard to carry as in general.
Oh, I see.
Basically, a lot of that game is keeping the healer alive.
Interesting. Mergender says, how do you feel about .NET 5? It's cross-platform, just wondering. I'm pretty excited about .NET. I haven't gotten a chance to write a lot of it since, 2010? 2009? But I really like C#. I wish I had more of an excuse to write more of it. You're looking at me funny. Why are you looking at me funny, Tofu? But yeah, I haven't written enough .NET in a while. You know who doesn't have a carry bone in their body? A half adder. God damn it, Drunk Time Lord.
The chomps has begun.
Are you back to chomping again? You're not chomping me. Not chomping me, Tofu.
Because she's literally currently chomping me. Her mouth is occupied.
See? Not chomping me. No chomps to be had. It's an adder is a computer thing. That's how much I get that joke. Yeah. So there's half adders which don't perform carries. Then there's adders which perform carries. Full adders. So that's the yoke. That's the yoke there. If you want me to explain the yoke and then completely ruin it for Drunk Time Lord. Merchader says, "All right, thank you for answering." Yeah, I think .NET's cool. I really like C#. Visual Studio is amazing. You basically, press button and receive program. Did I do set today? No, I did not. Let me fix that. Day 23. So basically, Anthony explained adders wrong. I mean, no. Cyrian Lumberjack says Swift is cross-platform now as well. Indeed, Precommit actually supports Swift. if Sire Benny is in the chat. I haven't finished the Precommit support or the Swift support for Precommits. Yeah, I need to finish that up. Are you day streaming Friday or Saturday? Should I stream on Christmas and Boxing Day? I don't know, I'm probably not gonna have anything else to do. You're hanging out with me.
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day Eve? Isn't that just Christmas Eve?
No, the night of Christmas.
Boxing Day Eve?
Boxing Day.
Hey, what's up, Crystal Pepsi? Hello, hello. What days are you button shirt streaming? I mean, Friday and Saturday. And maybe tomorrow? I don't know. I might take tomorrow off to take this precious one for some walks in the dog park. Get some cute tofu in. You're getting a little restless. This is just a little chump. What you coding? We're about to work on Advent of Code, who was created by Eric, who's now in the chat. How's it going, Eric? Good to see you again. We're down to the last couple of minutes here, and then we're going to be starting some programming puzzles. 2 of them come out per day in December. If you do bang AOC, you can learn more about it. Them OTD. I fixed the bot, so now it's my bot, and not me replying. So that's good. No one is dressing up in a shirt at midnight, of course. It's 9 o'clock for me, so like, I could. Oh, that's a cute cat. Oh, it's Liz's emote. I see. The bot is fixed, indeed. It's no longer the wrong rotated cred that I rotated under duress, while not really paying attention.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she's jumping on the...
Oh, no.
Yeah, she's got Leonard in her mouth.
Oh, she can chomp on Leonard. It's okay.
Oh. Crystal Pepsi, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully we're doing well. I mean, this only ends poorly for you, because you have lots of plushies, and Tofu's gonna end up consuming plushie. Hey, what's up, Aneurysm? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Alright. All of whose money goes to plushies, Anthony, or Juice? What? Both. You're gonna have lamb. Okay. Alright, so we're down to the last 2.5 minutes. Good luck to everyone who is attempting the puzzles today. Bzen says, what is with the Google API key that's needed to use a module like speech recognition? So, most APIs want to rate limit and do analytics tracking about who is using the API, and the easiest way for one to go about doing that is to associate the request with a particular API key. And so that's why. Hey, what's up, Dragon Slayers? Hello, hello. Sadness not pushing down numbers 1 to 22. Oh yeah, that would have been funny if it was just like up here in outer space. Like this is where 25 goes. Actually, there might still, I don't know. There's probably not space for it up here, but it would certainly be a twist to just have it surprise up there. Okay, I gotta get this here. That's ready. There's still 2 more. It's true, Aneurysm. There are still 2 more days. However, there are 2 lines down here, so kind of think that it's not gonna end up on the top. Although it would be pretty amusing. Also, it would be like a whoosh to get way up there.
I'm gonna put her down.
Whoa! You've only had her for like a couple weeks. Already gonna put her down? That's a Viwu. Hello,
say
hello.
bye, chat.
All right, say bye to Tofu. Goodbye, Tofu. Goodbye. Have a good sleep. But anyway, then our last minute. Hey, what's up, Shaggy? Hello, hello. Is that another? Oh, that's there's a built-in corgi emote. Do you know there's a global corgi emote? I didn't know. 60 seconds, indeed. All right, gotta pay attention. I already said good luck. Yeah, I guess that's it. That's a cute emote, Crystal Pepsi. I like that. Okay. Maze puzzle today? It's not a maze puzzle today, right?
My corgo is Sweezy.
I don't know what that word means.
It's a dog that sits on my floor.
Oh. Oh, that's the name of the doggo. Oh, I understand. You forgot the first coin and need to go back to get it. Do you win something? Bragging rights? I don't know, Twitch viewers? No. Alright, are you ready? Click download. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Maze puzzle? Cups. For the crabs, it's a game. Crab's then going to do 100 moves. Each moves we have these directions, so... this is our cups. It's literally just that. Why does my thing have ... in it? Oh no. When the input's short, you know it's gonna be bad. Suppose your cup... Whoops. Cup was this. And then the answer for this is... what are the labels on the cups after cup 1? Okay, so it's a circular buffer thing, which means we're probably going to use deck. So let's do cups equals collections dot deck s dot strip dot split int n. What, an empty string? Is that how that works? Empty separator. Well, we can just do this. List s.strip. There we go. And deck has a nice rotate function, which I assume we're going to use for these rules here, which I am going to open up off screen so that I can read through them. Okay. Each move, the crab does the following actions. The crab picks up three cups that are immediately clockwise of the current cup. First cup in your list is current cup. Picks up 3 cups. They are removed from the circle. Cup spacing is adjusted as necessary to maintain the circle. The crab selects a destination cup, the cup with the label equal to the current cup minus 1. If this would select one of the cups that was just picked up, the crab will keep subtracting 1 until it finds a cup that wasn't just picked up. If at any point in this process the value goes below the lowest value on any cup's label, it ramps around to the highest value on the label instead. Crab places the cups it just picked up so that they are immediately clockwise to the destination cup. Okay, so we're doing 100 turns of this. The crab selects a new current cup, the cup which is immediately clockwise of the current cup. Okay, so we are taking 3. Let's see, taken equals cups dot pop left for this in range 3. The crab selects a destination cup, the cup with the label equal to the current cup's label minus 1. Okay, so current label equals we need the maximum value as well. Equals, let's see, current equals cups 0. Current label equals current minus 1. While current label does not equal, this needs to be... If it's 0, it wraps around. Do we have 0 in our thing? We do not. Let's see, if current label equals 0, then current label equals maximum. While current label not in taken. So we gotta subtract down, wrap around until things are good. Then what do we need to do? Destination cup. The cup with the label equal to the current cup's label minus 1. Okay, keep subtracting. The crab places the cups it just picked up so they are immediately clockwise of the destination cup. Okay, so we need to find the index of that cup. Let's see. Syntax error. current label 9 taken. Let's see. Cups dot index current label. I fucked it up. Okay, current label. Cups dot index current label. 1 cups. So we're looking for 2. We need to insert where? Crab places the cups it just picked up so they're immediately clockwise of the destination cup. They keep the same order as they were picked up in. So we need to do cups dot rotate cups dot index current label plus 1, which will put wait. I should have rotated 2. Did I want rotate -2? Cups dot rotate. Should have put it back. Cups dot rotate -2 again, which puts this here, and then cups dot extend left taken. Oh, we should have done append. Okay. Cups dot rotate -1 times cups dot index current label -1, and then cups dot extend taken, and then cups dot rotate 4. I think should get us to our proper thing here. Let's see. When the crab selects the new current cup, the cup which is immediately clockwise of the current cup. Current cup. So the first current cup was 3. The next one should be 2. But I have them in the wrong order. Why have them in the wrong order? Oh, these are all sorts of fucked up. Okay, what did I do wrong here? So we have cups, which is 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 7. And then we should have done this. Cups dot rotate -2, which puts us here. And then we should have inserted after that. Why do I have 3, 8, 9 here? Oh, we have to do 1 rotate first. Cups dot rotate -1, I think. Okay, 891, there we go. And then we should have 2, 891. And then we have to rotate backward 3 plus the index, I think. So it should be cups dot index current label. So we should have Should have rotated one more. Two, 8, 9, 1. Okay, let's see what do we get the next one. 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Okay, I think that's good. Zero. Well, then we gotta rotate to starting after the cup labeled 1, collect the other cups. So we gotta get to the 1. Cups dot index 1. Cups dot rotate. Ah, shit, I don't have a good example here. Let's see, let's just do cups dot rotate -2 so that we have this not here. Cups dot rotate, cups dot index 1. Should put 1 at the front. Okay. Cups dot rotate, negative cups dot index 1, and then cups dot pop left, and then return int this dot join stir n for n in cups. Sick. Now it's gonna be do this 100 times. 1,000 times. 10 million moves. Okay, so we gotta find some sort of pattern. Okay, part 1, part 2. The craft starts arranging many cups in a circle on your raft, 1 million in total. Your labeling is still correct for the first few cups. After that, the remaining cups are just numbered in an increasing fashion, starting from the number after the highest number in your list and proceeding one by one until 1 million is reached. Oh, this isn't a hard problem. This is just an efficiency problem. Okay, so 1 million cups. $1 million or 10 million? 1 million. For this in range, we need to take our maximum and count up from there. Oh, so I need to generate a range from 8, from n until 10 million. That's not quite right. Let's see. Let me just break point here. So I know I can do this cleverly with range. Let's just do it the dumb way. Cups dot append maximum plus 1 plus I. Yeah, I'll have some boba. Thank you, Juice. Is this right? It seems dumb. I think that'll work. This was a mistake. This was a big mistake. Yeah. Noise, please. Is it still 100 turns? 10 million moves. Well, let's just see. Wait, 10 million moves?
Absolutely.
That's not a big number. No sweet.
No sweet?
Yeah. I don't think this is gonna complete. I was going to hide your stars, one each, under the 2 cups that will immediately... Yeah, this is never gonna complete, so we have to come up with a clever thing with this. No! Damn it! Okay, so we gotta come up with a clever algorithm for this. We're not gonna be able to compute this, most likely, even though I've used efficient data structures. Unless this is the pi thing. We'll run it with PyTest. I don't think it's ever gonna complete, but we'll at least kick it off and see what happens. Cause yeah. Oh, I don't even have the right code for that because of this thing here. What is the right code here? Under the 2 cups, they'll immediately end up immediately clockwise of cup 1. Okay, so I don't think this is gonna complete, but we will kick it off and let it run. While I think about something more clever. Determine which 2 cups will end up immediately clockwise cup 1. What do you get if you multiply the labels together? Get those numbers out of this pattern here. I guess we can start by drawing this and see what patterns emerge. Okay, so we start with this. And then we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, etc. Okay, so the first bunch are going to do a bunch of shuffling here. So what do we do here? I think it's really just going to space things out. Oh, but it happens 10 million times. Like 10 million isn't a big number. I feel like this, I mean, it has probably no chance of completing. I should probably put every 100,000 will print. Oh god, it's so slow. Yeah, this is never gonna complete. Okay, cool. Alright. How the fuck does this work? So the thing is, it counts downwards and eventually wraps around. I'm gonna catch up in chat while I think about this. Well, I don't think about this. More like, holy crap, why did you say so much? Exciting news from GitHub. New Python client for the API. Is this the crappy one that I already know about? Fuck this guy. Never mind. This is going to be garbage. because pretty much everything that person writes is garbage. So no, I'm not excited about it, Doc Jones. The only thing on the raft is you and the crab. At least it's contributing now. I don't know how he manages to not crush the cups. That's true. Attempted to use move value crab. And there are other issues, but that's a big yikes. They seem to be really good about design, and their stuff sounds like it works well. I'm never gonna come anywhere close to that thing. Hey, it's a bread scratcher. Hello, hello. Let's see. What's wrong with the fast AI people? What isn't wrong with them? Hey, what's up, Nate? Hello, hello. Michaela did 700 messages in a single day. Yeah, it's true, during the 12-hour stream. Like I have a handicap with the 12-hour streams and the AOC streams because a lot of times I'm here physically and not typing much. That's true. What does COC stand for? Code of Conduct. What's up, Imirek? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. What your?
Oh, I'm bullying Isa, that's fine.
Uh-oh. You're asterisk. What's a few orders of magnitude between crabs, right? STAWP bullying.
Aww.
Did we win? No. Part 2 is getting crabbed on, yeah. Where's the cup emoji? Let's settle this like women Michaela bikini mud wrestling. What? Okay, now I know the fast AI dude is a jerk and we hate him. Got it. Yep. Why are you shitting on Jeremy Howard? Why wouldn't you shit on Jeremy Howard? Okay, so we gotta think of a clever way to do this that somehow skips all of the work because we haven't even done 100,000 things yet. And yeah. I wonder if my rotate can be more efficient. Because I suspect I'm rotating the wrong direction, and so that's what's making it slow. So instead of rotating negative, we could rotate the minimum between two things. That might be enough to make this fast enough. Crab cup with straw, crab cup with straw. Yeah, because this has the potential to do lots of rotating. I feel like it's either that or there's a clever solution. Let's see, let's do 20 and print out all of them and see what happens with that. Let's do... Okay, 2891. Well, why did we go to 5 suddenly? Current should be 2, should be 1. Right, cup 0 should be 2. Rotate 1 around so 8 is on the front. Pop 8, 9, 1. Wait a sec. Oh wait, there were duplicates before? Oh no, that's the expected. 3, we get 8, 9, 1. We put that after 2. Then we should have 2, 8, 9, 1. And then we take 2, remove 8, 1, 8, 9, 1. And then we wrap around to 20. Right? How do we get to here? Oh, because my maximum is no longer correct. Maximum equals max cups. Two 891. So then we should pop 2, grab these 3, or wrap 2 around. So it should be 3, 2. And we should put 891 after what? After 20 to here. Okay. So then we're at 5. How do we get to 5? Because directly to the right of 2 is 5. Okay. So we're chopping numbers off and we're inserting them at the next minus number? Yeah, you need explains 40042, Junk Time Lord. Okay, so it's really find the number lower than this that's not in these 3, and then put these 3 there. And then it's kind of like appending on them repeatedly. Yeah, the search syntax for full text search is really fiddly. The thing is, I don't know how this pattern gets better. Or how we skip things. Okay, so for this one, we take 5, we rotate around, we have 3, 2, 5. Except 3 is one of the numbers, so we put 4, 6, 7 after it. And then 10 is the next number there. So really we can keep moving this part forward and just do inserts back here. Maybe? There's gotta be some faster way to do this. I guess we just track what happens with 1. We would have to know what gets added after it, though. But I think it's only going to change 3 times. Maybe? The 2 numbers after it? I don't know. No, it's going to change a lot of times. Hey, what's up, Ultra Laser? Hello, hello. Yeah, this one's tough. This one's tough. There's some trick that I don't understand. How many people are done with it? All of the points have been gone. Oh, that's first star. 38 have gotten star 2. Wow. Huh. I feel like 10 million isn't that many iterations. This many numbers is big. The index, so the slow parts here are the indexing. Yeah, this is the slow part here. Do we know anything about this indexing? Are they going to be roughly sorted? What do we see after 200 of these? They don't seem to be sorted in any sort of way. Bzen says try slicing. Delp says it just seems like this is a slow processing puzzle. I don't know that that's the problem here. I mean, like, index on a deck is ON, so that's 1 in a million. This is O1. This is essentially O1. This is O1. This is O1. This is ON. This is N times 10 million, so that's big. That's million times 10 million. So this is the slow part here. This rotate is roughly O1. Well, it's O on whatever this number is. So if this number's big, then both of these are expensive. Well, and then we do another rotate again here. So these are the slow operations. If we can speed up index somehow, we can get it. But we know nothing. We don't really know anything about where the positions are. Unless we keep track of them in a different way. Using my PC for instant speed up. I mean, I tried PyPy for this, and PyPy didn't get it, so... PyPy's not going to answer this, then we're kind of shit out of luck here. Yeah, like, and it couldn't even get through 100,000 iterations, so... Yeah, that's hopeless. So there's got to be some more clever way to do this. Bzen says split the process. I don't see how multiprocessing helps me at all here. And like these problems aren't solved with multiprocessing usually. The mantra is that you could solve them on 1998 hardware in a minute, at worst, with a not micro optimized algorithm using an interpreted language. So there's got to be some clever thing here. And I'm not seeing it at all. Hmm. Can I start Googling algorithms? I feel like this is something that was just made up. I don't know how this is algorithmic. I wonder if instead of treating it as a deck, we instead treat it as a big number? No, that wouldn't work. That only worked because things were single digits. Because then we could do like bit twiddling shenanigans. Oh, that was fast. This is a different place? Oh. Oh, they have like a fancy fucking straw slot?
What? Straw slot?
Did I say straw slot?
No.
Is that what you said?
No, wait. What?
Look at this chat. There's a little straw hole in this fancy ass cup. It's wild. What'd you get? Hmm. Oh yes, this is real good.
They're actually tiny in the taro.
Hmm?
Like taro.
What's taro?
Oh.
Oh. Brain freezer says Dakabab. Yeah, I have no idea. I feel like finding the index is the hard part here, says D-Delsp. Yeah. Yeah. Where is it? Notice how polite and organized the plushies are. Yeah, Juice arranged them today.
What?
Spelled Boba Feet.
It's on the same block as Walgreens. What? It's closer than Teaspoon.
Really?
Yeah. Who's that possible?
Bizen says you have to predict. Dragon Slayer says only one option. Do it manually. Oh no. You drink half the cup in one sip?
Until midnight?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Why do we go to Teaspoon ever?
Yeah. Hey, what's Amelia? Hello, though. You can shortcut the value by checking your list of 3, but then you have to find the index for that value in your list. Yeah, I mean, I already do that. That's not hard. I wonder if indexing from the left is going to be faster than indexing from the front. Let's see. On this list here, we were looking for... What? We were looking for 2? Wait. Yeah, we were looking for 2. Sorry. Here. We were looking for 2. We indexed forward here to find 2 earlier. That's fine. Then move 2. We were here. And since 1 was in there, we had to wrap around. And since 8 was in there, we had to wrap around. Since 9 was in there, we had to wrap around. 8, we had to wrap around. We then find 7. 7's at the end here. So if we find 7 at the end... Then we insert after it the 891 that we had from here. and we move. We move 1 to the right, so we get to the 5. This seems all over the place. Yeah, I'm still working on it, Vettel. I have no idea. Did you finish it, Vettel? Is this really just is this an optimize the code problem, or is this find a clever pattern problem? Looks like all the leaderboard is filled out. Yeah, it doesn't surprise. Someone else has probably figured out. So, with PyPy and my current code, it never even got to 100,000, so... It's a do the right thing problem? Hey, what's up, Kevin Starwork? Hello, hello. You make your life a lot easier if you implement in a linked list IMO. I mean, I'm using a deck, which is essentially a linked list. Cryptrip says, would it make sense to do a reverse traversal of the cups counterclockwise that keeps track of the index? What do you mean? I guess I could see how a linked list would make this problem a little bit easier. You still do a lot of traversals, but the insertions become simpler. Hi. You cold? Guess you'll have to hold her. Whatever you want to do. It's a do the right thing problem, yeah. How did you figure out how to use this AO SQLite thing? I'm staring at it and looking at the docs. It doesn't really explain anything. I guess you're just smart. Oh yeah, the docs for that are terrible. It's close to SQLite's API, but different. I mean, I guess we could represent this as a linked list. I don't see how that makes this that much more efficient, though. Other than we don't do 3 ON things here, we just do 1. Maybe that makes it fast enough? Sure, fuck it. Let's link list. God, I hate making linked lists in Python. And we can't do them with typing properly. Protocol. Class node protocol. So this is going to be the non-concrete version of it, and we'll have priv, which is a node, and we'll have n. Actually, we have to do property. Oh, we wanted assignable, not immutable. N, which is int, and next, which is a node. Doubly linked list, because fuck it, why not? God, I hate linked lists. Am I timing out? Yeah, I'm timing out. K-Throw, I got 121st. Nice, congrats. Last node. Actually, this is... Is it optional? No. It's a circular doubly linked list. Oh, she's so sleepy. Look at the cute puppy. Plushies are so big compared to tofu, it's true.
Yeah, get that itch. Get that itch.
Is this gonna work? I don't even know if this is gonna work. New node equals. Which this isn't a class method. Type self n. And then we need to. We need to fix up all the nodes here. Trip says, I still get this problem. From my understanding, we would know what the value we need to find right upon selection. Yeah, that part's not hard. The hard part is doing it quickly. And I picked a deck which is efficient for this, but not for indexing. Indexing and then rotating, then indexing. If we do a linked list, the rotates don't need to happen, but the indexing still needs to happen. But then it becomes a million times 10 million. Wait, that's still a huge fucking number. Thousand, million, trillion, billion operations? Oh wait. Thousand, million, billion, trillion. I feel like that's still too long. T says, did you beat me on part 1? Maybe, but if you're done with part 2, then you beat me on part 2. Because I have no idea how to do part 2. Oh yeah, you beat me on part 2. Oh, I got double beat today. I have no idea, but I haven't done part 2 yet. This one I rewrote in C? Oh god. That's not a good sign. It executes in 370 milliseconds. Do you just brute force it team on team? I guess we could write C. I don't really want to write C. It's kind of slow in C. Yeah. You simulate it? Alright, fuck it. Let's see. Okay, so we need to append to a node by creating a new node and returning that. So what we need to do is... It's at Hero AFK. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So we need to set self.nextNode equal to new node. I think this is it. So set the new nodes previous to next, and then set self's next. 3 pointers need to change? What? So we go from... Oh, I don't want text. We go from... prev pointing to... prev pointing to self, and next pointing to self. And then we make a new node, and we change... we change next of self to point to new node. I feel like we don't change enough pointers here. Because prev should also change here as well. Hey, what's up, Alberto Noguchi? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, we need to set 4 pointers here. We need to set new node dot next nodes, or self dot next nodes dot previous yeah, that's what we need to do. Oh, okay, so then we need to do for n in list s dot strip. I guess numbers equals.
Oh, you farted! It smells so bad!
I didn't. Oh, tofu. Okay.
Oh
It's like, don't you blame this on me.
my god. I'm gonna take her out. Maybe she has to poop. Oh! It smells so bad. Whew. That was a stinker, baby.
Current equals node numbers 0. For number in numbers 1 colon. So I want to make a repper. Oh, that was a bad fart. God damn. Let's see. While self dot next node is not, let's see, next equals next. Well, self dot next node is not self. Numbers dot append next node dot n next node equals next node dot next node. Return type self dot name. Then numbers bang r. Let's see what we got at that point. Yeah, that's never gonna complete. Node is not defined from future import annotations. God damn it. This should have been self.n. Is that right? 376452198. what did we start with? What the fuck? That's like super wrong. How did I fuck this up so bad? What? Who's a flask? Hello, hello. I did not blame it on tofu. That was not me. 100% not me. Okay, so my W linked list must be garbage then. Oh wait. No, we just did the stupid. Three, 8, 9, 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 7. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright, so let's let's do this instead. Appender equals appender dot append. Maximum plus 1 plus I. This is really just range from maximum to n plus 1. And so then maximum equals n. Still gonna keep this here. So we need to remove 3 elements out from current. Hey, what's up, this guy Codes? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, I know you. You're where's X's partner. Welcome. It's good to have you. We need to do. Let's just cheat and do pop 3. Tuple int. And so what do we do here? For I in range 3. This guy codes. This guy writes code. Pop 3, perfect. Yeah, we're cheesing it here. Let's see.
It still smells like dog farts in here.
It's not me, I promise.
What a punk. She did not poop.
Jank. Enter ret 1, ret 2, ret 3. We need to stitch up the nodes here. So we have to do self.next node equals self.next node dot next node dot next node dot next node. And we need to do self.next node dot next node dot next node dot next node. Wait. Yeah, I think we just do self.next node dot priv node equals self. What the fuck, right? We could do 3 pops, but we can also just cheat, right? Taken equals current dot pop 3. What do you mean? Maximum reference before assignment. Oh. Well, we know maximum is len of... shit, we don't know the size of this thing. Oh, we do. Len numbers.
Oh. Save it for your OnlyFans.
Cups. Okay, so we popped 891 out, so we have 3254. That looks correct. 891. Okay, so that solves that part. And then we need to find the destination cup. We don't need maximum, we can just use and. So we find this number, that's fine. Then we need to search for the thing. The LOTD is so good. Switch a word for obfuscated code. I feel like this isn't that obfuscated. Kevin Jover says, finished day 13 yesterday. I would have never completed part 2 without help. It's just math I wasn't aware of. You can do it without specialized math. Without knowing CRT. I go over a solution in my YouTube video that doesn't use any specialized math. Where's X? Figured out. I mean, with some hints. Pop, pop, pop? Yeah. Smells like Updog in here. What's Updog? My favorite mail protocol. What the fuck are you on, Kappa? Oh wait, you're right. Bob's against you, man. JS doesn't have linked lists. I mean, neither does Python. Neither does C. You have to write your own. JS is a linked list. That's big brain. Okay, so now we need to find the position in our list to get to. So we can just do node equals current.priv node while node.n does not equal current label node equals current.priv node. So then this should get us to the point where we insert, right? Just to make this a little bit faster. Do that. Okay, so we rotate around until we found our insertion node. And then we can do node.extend taken. And then current. Because selects the new current, the cup which is immediately clockwise of the current cup. Current.next node. Presumably that's all we have to do. Oh, then we need to find this. Node equals current dot equals current. Node dot end does not equal 1. Node equals node dot prev node. Return node dot next node dot end times node dot next node dot next node dot end. extend. Which we could really just do is 3 appends. For n in ends, appender equals appender dot append, and return appender. That's just a shortcut. It is a little bit unfortunate that this does some additional Alex over and over, but I don't know it's going to be a problem. I know pop 3 is good. Let's see what it runs for. This is for n equals 20. Must be looping somewhere. Cups, this should have crashed. So, I satisfied says Pet Tufo.
I just did.
Oh. Oh. Last time I went to pet her, she farted in my face. Drink Tomboy says, G-Babby when I want to scroll with my mouse wheel. Are you ready for this shit? Ready? Are you ready for this, Drunk Time Lord? Look at this shit. Scrolling with the mouse wheel. Big brain. Oh, this should be node. I got it right down there, just not there for some reason. Okay, so that seems to work. Wait, I got rid of the print? Alright, let's scale it up to big number and run it with PyPy and see what happens. Well, it is happening. I mod this equals 0. Oh, it's not I. How did you get I here? That was it building the initial list? Holy Christ, this is gonna take forever. Oh, shit. We don't actually need our protocol, right? Right? Because PyPy is 3.7, not 3.8, so we don't have nice things. Hey, what's up, Princess Maria Alexevna? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. This is still too slow. Still too slow. I wonder... Yeah, this is still ON. TUNT says, what's your algorithm here? This is the slow part, which is find the thing. Does3 says, can you store refs to the nodes in an array where the element at index I is the node with ID I? Oh yeah, I guess that would allow us to get instant access to all of the nodes. I should change my pop3 then to give unbound nodes. Yeah, that'll go faster. You're right. You are 100% right. Then it's just reshuffling and, you know, interestingly, I built this exact data structure during an interview in 2012 while I was interviewing at Amazon.
Mamazon?
Yeah.
Mamazon?
Yeah, Mamazon.
Amazon?
In 2012. Long ass time ago.
Could have been siblings. The same Mamazon and Papa Bezos.
Papa Bezos? Wait, what was the mama? What was the mama that was not Amazon that we had from the other day?
Mamazon.
No, there's something else.
I'm okay. I'm not hyperventilating. It's okay, baby.
Okay, so I do have to maintain the original node, the nodes here. But that's fine. Nodes equals number 0 to current, and then nodes number equals appender, nodes I. So taken actually needs to be 3 nodes. I'm gonna call it push 3 and pop 3. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that makes this more efficient. This returns a node. This returns a node. Actually, this doesn't really need to return anything. This is just none. And then to insert into here, we need to do what? We need to do self.nextNode equals node 3, and then node 3.privNode equals self. We also need to do node 3.nextNode.nextNode.nextNode dot nextNode. Node 3.nextNode.nextNode.nextNode.nextNode equals self.nextNode. Oh god, why does this hurt brain? Node 3.nextNode.privNode equals node 3. Wait, self. This will be 1, this will be the second item, this will be the third item. One, second item, third item. I think that's what we have to do here. Let's breakpoint after this. Let's see what we get here. Gotta do it before we do there. So current equals this. And we're supposed to append after the 2? So we're gonna put 891 into here, assuming this works correctly. Oh, I'm so good. So good. Do I need it to be doubly linked? I don't even think I need them to be doubly linked. Except that I loop here for priv node. Oh, I don't even need to do this loop. I don't even think I need them to be doubly linked. So let's get rid of priv node. Should just be removing this. Oh shit, my Raptor's gonna be busted though. Wait a sec. I fucked this up. Okay. Why does this look right so far? B59. Yeah, that looks fine. B63. It's fine. What's wrong here? Pop 3, this. That's the same. Yeah, that looks right. So why are printing hard here? Oh god. Stop prints. No prints. Pretty slow, but that will complete eventually. Especially because we're already up to 4 million. So pretty slow in CPython, but we'll get there. Actually, I have int next big number. That's amazing. Oh, what the fuck? We get the wrong number. Why would we get the wrong number? Like the big F, yeah. Right? Big F here. Shit. Oh, this is wrong. Right? What's our input here? Let's set n to not, well, let's try the part 1 code here. See where we're going wrong here. What do we expect to get for part 1? We get the same answer. Immediately clockwise a cup 1. What's up, James1057? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. What's up, Akeem the Dream? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, that was good. I like that. Okay, so this is the right number. Oh, I didn't mean to print that. Looks the right thing as well. So I'm a little stumped why this is wrong. I guess we'll see what we get at the end when we continue through to this. Which is going to run for a while, and then breakpoint right before the end. So Abby says, coding is for nerds, do something valuable like gaming. It's an interesting thing to pop into chat. Do something valuable like gaming. Valuable like gaming.
Okay, I just started part 13, part 2.
Yep.
Does it make sense to treat each bus schedule as like a linear expression and then find where the slopes intersect, but like off by 1? or like find where the slopes intercept, but off by 2.
I would start with a very small problem and look at patterns, and then use those patterns to figure it out. Try the problem 5, 7. Figure out what numbers those will line up at. Then try 5, 7, 9.
Why would my idea not?
Because lines don't work that way. There's no quick math to get to what you want.
No quick math to find the intercept of 2 lines?
It's not the intercept of 2 lines.
It's the intercept of 2 lines offset by a certain amount.
Yeah. There isn't.
What?
What's up, Swabby? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So that's a completely different number. And that's a completely different number. So, what the fuck? 10 million. I don't know why I put parentheses around this when I wrote this. It's just all digits, yeah. Vettel says the best schedule I had to give you a tip for. I ended up solving it not that way, Vettel. Using the mathy part I felt like was cheating, so I went back and did it offline in a different way. Didel says, are you dealing with a condition where the max value is in the list as well? Oh, I'm not. Let's... No, I'm still doing that. So even if we set it to here, it would still be in this. This loop would still go. So that's still being handled. Oh yeah, Tofu is hella sleepy. She went on some long walks today. Did you use n for value and next node for next? N for value and next node for next. What are you talking about? Yeah, so we know this works for the small problem. But we get the wrong answer for this first part. What happens if we just run this? Look at how fast PyPy is. I'm gonna submit this, even though it's not gonna be right. Too high. Too high. All right, so we have some bug in our code somewhere. Let's see how we could though. Return equals the next node. Are we stitching incorrectly? Oh, this looks right. This looks right too. Clarion off by random problem. I think FC is just short for fungi typoed, yeah. Hey, what's up? Gaj TM, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I wish there was like an n that was smaller that there's an example for, but there is not. So, kind of stuck trying to figure this out. Let's set it to 20 and print each current. And then we should be able to figure out what happened there. Okay, so we start with this. Oh. Start with this. And we're looking for 2. So we take 891 and we move it after 2. That looks good. And then we rotate 1. Now we're here. We take this, we pull off 891, and we look for 1, it's here. And so then we look for 20, and we do 20, 891. Then we rotate 1, we get to 5. We pop 4, 6, 7, we have 4, so we look for 3. And so we should have 3, 4, 6, 7. Yeah. And then we rotate 1, we get to 9. 9, we pop 10, 11, 12. We look for 8, which is here. Should have 8, 10, 11, 12. Which we do. And then we rotate to 13. Hey, what's up, ad guy? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Once we have 13, then we pop 14, 15, 16. Cool. And we look for 12. We have 12, and we added 12, 14, 15, 16. Then we go to 17. We have 17. We pop 18, 19, 20. We look for 16. We have 16, so we should have 16, 18, 19, 20. And then we rotate. We get 8. 8, we pop 10, 11, 12. We look for 7. And so 7, 10, 11, 12. And we rotate 1. We get 14. 15, 16, 18. After 13, so we have 13, 15, 16, 18. That looks fine. And then we rotate to 19, we find 18, we do 29, 1, 18, 29, 1. Then we rotate to 3, we look for 2. So we should have 2, 4, 6, 7. Anthony is being the computer right now, yeah. Yeah, this looks right. So it's 1,000,000 cups and 10 million moves. That's what happened when we set this to 1,000,000 and 1,000,000 times 10. I have no fucking idea. I mean, we ran a bunch of these and they all looked fine. I guess we could print these out and then compare them with the deck solution. Hey, what's up, 1103SU? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So we're gonna do print and diff and see what's wrong here. That's funny, but not what we want here. Oh, they do start differing here. We're binary searching with head. Okay, so we were at this state. Let's do 130. Okay, so we were at this state when we started to differ. So at this state, we should have taken 16, 12, 17, looked for 9, and put 16, 12, 17 after 9. Why does the deck solution look wrong here? Should have gotten 13 and then 9. Oh, 16, 12, 17. Yeah, that's good. And here we got... We have dupes. What the fuck? What the fuck? We have dupes! How did we go so long before we hit dupes? Maybe you missed a next node? I'm like amazed that it took 150 iterations to hit this bug though. Or 120 odd iterations. 127 iterations. We're adding an extra next? Yeah. Yeah. So I think our append is correct. I guess it's pop 3 or or push 3 that we would have to look at for this. Obscure bugs of the bane of programming? Yeah. This is a weird one. It's a very weird one that it took this long to get there. Okay. Okay, so we should be popping off self.next node, which should be this 8. And it should go until 9, 1. We don't actually truncate it there. That's fine though. This looks right. We're just we're removing this. This node is technically kind of invalid while it's in this limbo state, but that's fine. Then after this, we should have 3, 2, 5, 4. 3, 2, 5, 4. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks very fine. Now we're in push 3. This cycles forever, right? This is fine. Node 3.n, node 3.next node.n, 8, 9, 1. And self is this. Node 3.next node.next node.next node equals self.next node. Yeah, that looks super fine too. What the hell is going on here? I guess we could break this in pop 3 just to make sure that we're not hitting a none case, and then we would hit an error for this. Red.next node.next 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 equals none. And then we can change our repr. And that'll maybe make this more debuggable. Okay, so we already assigned the wrong thing here. Oh yeah, because we wanted to set this. Yeah, that's okay. Let's try this again. A91. Okay, that seems fine. So, yeah, this is not cool. Did he just say I didn't do that. I love coding until it turns into 4 hours debug sesh. The interviewer at Amazon surely appreciate all the .next nodes 8 years ago. So the cool thing was, I didn't have to actually code this. I just had to theory it on a whiteboard. I feel like this is right, but for some reason it differs after a while, which is very strange to me. We start ending up with duplicates, but only after 127 iterations. Hey, what's up, Eric? Hello. Hello. I'm debugging my linked lists, which I don't appreciate doing, but that's fine. Actually, I realize this slots isn't going to change anything because we're not doing Realix here, so this can go away. Eric, he's struggling. I'm not struggling. We got dupes, yeah, that's the problem. Okay. Yeah. This looks fine now. So how do we end up with dupes, though? You starting to like slightly more disheveled? Hi, Tofu. Hi, cutie. Oh yeah, Tofu's here. Maybe a beer will fix this up?
Beer.
Are you gonna give me a beer?
No, you get a beer.
You'll entertain chat? Okay, I'll go get a drink. I'll be right back. I mean, you saw nothing.
Hi, chat. This is Tofu. What do you want me to do to Tofu while Anthony's gone? Is it get her real close to the camera so that she can sniff things? What about Tofu from the side? Pretty good. Should she boop with the snoot? Do you want to boop with the snoot? Is she always so chill? No. She walked like probably 4 miles today, so she's very sleepy. Oh.
What?
I was showing them her snoot and belly.
Alright, chat. We got a beer. Today we are drinking Samuel Smith's Organic Chocolate Stout. One of my favorites. Very, very good. To hopefully help us solve the problem, right? Because that's how these work. Oh, that was such a good pour, too. Look at how good this pour is, chat. Look at how perfect that was. Just the right amount of head. Yeah, my grandfather didn't understand the phrase giving head. So he once poured a beer and said, "This beer gives good head." But bless his heart. Where do I put this? Oh, I didn't drink my balls. Dang it. I'll have to drink my balls.
Yeah? Gotta suck on those balls?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now I'll drink the beer.
Making sure.
Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is put in some assertions so that, you know, when things go wonky, I can figure out when they go wonky, and then maybe we can figure out why they go wonky. Because those functions look fine.
She really doesn't like the sound you're making.
The sucking?
I like this strong.
Yeah, we definitely get two different answers, so there's definitely some shit that's going wrong here. Oh wait, the deck one has dupes. The deck one has dupes? Oh, the deck one might be wrong. Wait a sec.
Oh, she farted again! Ooh. It smells real bad.
It hasn't wafted over here yet. Okay, so my reference implementation is wrong. But only for large values.
Oh, tofu boy.
Do you realize what you've done and now you're scooting away from your own fart?
Oh, it smells so bad.
Oh, what the fuck did you feed her?
You were there the whole time.
Oh my god.
You're the only thing that's changed about her diet.
The bull penises?
No, the greenies you got her. She's been eating bull penises for days.
There's no way that's gone through her entire system. Okay, so my deck solution has dupes in it, so this is definitely wrong. I'm comparing against something that's wrong. Is what I've determined.
That's not bad, baby.
That's so fucking weird. How does the deck solution end up with dupes? That's what really blows my mind. Cause we never... We only ever, like, put things into it. We don't ever... Yeah, very weird. Very, very weird. Oh, but that takes away my one debugging approach. I think she wonkied. Oh, why did you move my keyboard cam, Juice?
I didn't. Oh, you may have booped it.
Oh, okay. Doggo booped it. I see. Feeder mints, problem solved. Thank you, Loshmolo. I guess we figure out when things go wrong in this and figure out why it's going wrong here, and then hopefully we have a comparison there. Assert set cups. Oh, it's immediately wrong. What? She's farting? Oh, so we started with dupes in here, so... That means both of them are starting with dupes. So it's literally just fucking +1. Right? It's all just a dumb +1. God damn it. Ah, fuck me. Is this the Pi one? Or the Pi test? Oh, no, Pi test should be fine. My computer fans go. Roar. What is Crit says? You can do day 15 part 2 in 15 seconds with Python? Day 15. C Python in how long? Should have done this with Dash S.
Bedtime for Princess.
Bedtime? Okay. We'll give
Hi,
chat one more look at the tofu monster. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. You're gonna go fart in your cage now? Good night, Tofu.
Good night, Chats and Tofu. Good night. Why?
Oh, this is CPython. What is going on here? Oh, my computer is CPU locked right now. So let's Control C this for a sec. PyTest is building up giant. Oh, you can't see. PyTest is building up giant repers of this, so that's why this is. Oh, it is completely locked my VM. Oh, please die. It's consuming all my memory. No, PyTest, why? That's pretty hot stuff there. Let's give it a core dump. Let it just die. Okay. Alright, so this was day 15, part 2, which mine did in like 5-ish seconds, if I remember correctly, on a virtual machine, which is pretty slow. You typed out that link by hand, Junk Time Lord? Why would you do that? Oh, this is taking way longer than that. Read me. 34 seconds. Okay, so maybe mine is a little bit slower than that. But anyway, this is fine. I should have put the prints. Oh, that's why it's taking so long. That's why we're consuming all the RAM. We have prints in here still. There we go. And that is the number we expect. So if we run this, we should get our answer. Stupid off by 1 problems. I was wondering. It shouldn't be that wild. And we submit. And I got my star! Yay, we did it. Okay, let's clean this up. What a mess. What a mess. But yeah, that's pretty fast for PyPy. Let's look at PyTest and CPython gets this in a reasonable amount of time. The answer is no. It's going to take forever. Yeah, it's usually going to be about 10 times slower than PyPy. So it's going to take about 50 seconds to hit it. Oh, 26 seconds. Okay, that sounds bad. Slowly catching up, just need to bridge 26 points. You were 20, how many behind? What's the private leaderboard look like now? I fell 2 points behind T-Bud T here. I was 19 points behind. Oh wait, no, I was 19 behind and now I'm 11 behind, or 21 behind. Damn. I don't think you're gonna be able to make up 26 points in 2 days, Dragon Slayer. I think I got you beat. How did you finally find the solution? I was off by 1. And the reason I figured out I was off by 1 is my deck solution also had dupes. I put an assertion in my deck solution and figured out why this was wrong. Maybe if day 24 is difficult enough. Yeah, fucking +1. That was my bug. Stupid bug, right? I satisfied? Stupid bug. So yeah, let's run this, I guess, twice. Is that even a bug? Yes. It was very much the bug. Oh, I can get rid of my none assignment now as well. So let's not do this. So we don't need this or this, and MyPy's going to get mad if I assigned a none anyway. We can put this back. There are 2 hard things: computer science, cache validation, naming things, and off by 1 errors. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Especially off by 1 errors. It's weird that off by 1s happen to Anthony. I just feel like you're so smart. That happens to everyone. There's also sometimes where I don't even want to think about whether it's off by 1, and I will just try plus and minus 1 until I get a good answer out of it. We're going to retry this one twice. I'm not going to run this 5 times to put the number in my README, because it's just too slow. Day 23, part 1. Day 23, init. Day 23, input. Let's wait for this to end so we don't have processor affinity. Okay, those are basically the same time. Day 23, part 1. The part 1 was pretty fast. Even though I still implemented it not in the best way. Alright, my pie, yell at me. Day 23, part 1. What? Wait, my pie was okay with the recursive type? Say it ain't so. Oh, I didn't use the recursive type for part 1. This is where my pie yells at me. This is for part 2. Day 23, input.text. I can't believe it was a stupid off by 1 error for so long. That's just dumb on my part. Alright, my pie. Fuck my shit up. Day 20, part 2. Oh, my pie was happy? What? What? Don't need collections, don't need iterable. 56, this should have gotten fixed. I am thoroughly surprised that my pie was okay with my... Yeah, because this type is circular. I wonder if my pie is just like, you know, whatever, any. Let's see what my pie has to say about this. Day 23, part 2. Weird. This recursive type works. But every other case that I've tried to do this, my pie has been like, no recursive types for you. I wonder if I do this, if it gets mad. No. Maybe it has partial support for recursive types? I don't know, every time I've tried to do this, it has not worked. But that's cool to see. Anyway, I want to show you how much faster PyPy is for this. Oh, we kind of already did. But if we take out the prints, it took us like 25 seconds in CPython and, you know, under 5 seconds in PyPy. Now, of course, porting this to actual C code would go even faster, but yeah. I'm more used to getting off by 2s for some reason. Oh no. Get me your MyPy version. I'll test it. I'm excited. It's the latest, whatever got here, 790. I think that's the latest. PyPI simple MyPy 790. That's the version we're on. Oh, interesting. MyPy does not publish 32-bit Windows wheels. Or 32-bit Mini Linux wheels. Maybe MyPy-C doesn't work for 32-bit. Although, honestly, who should use 32-bit? It's fucking 2020. Ethan says, MyPy shouldn't be allowing recursive types except protocols. This is a super recursive type. Yeah, so I'm confused. This is very, very circular. Ethan. Looks like it bugged into a feature. Yeah. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm just confused. But anyway. Git push, let's see, let's delete the garbage in here. Day 23 t.text, git push origin head. I don't know if I'm going to stream tomorrow. We might be going to the dog park instead. I might take a day off streaming. I will be streaming Advent of Code for tomorrow for sure. But I don't know if I'm going to do my normal day stream. So we'll see what happens with that. Dog park stream? Am I gonna become an IRL streamer? I feel like I need that clip, like, on the ready. Let's see, Twitch, clips. Where's the... we had the floofy clip. Top of all time. Anthony, if he becomes an IRL streamer. I love this clip so much. It's so stupid. Wait, spoilers. Oh, this is back when I wore a watch. Oh no. It's such a stupid clip, but I love it. Anyway, Hacktoberfest shirt. It's true. My favorite clip is Liar Liar. That's a good one too. This one here. Yeah, that's a pretty good one too. I love that one. That's not RL streamer, that's like Femboy Anthony. Wait. No, we have actual Femboy Anthony in the clips. Oh god. Stop. In this one, right? Oh, you can't see my makeup in this one. Oh wait, no, I think this is before I put the makeup on. Shh, stop it. Do we have a clip with the femboy of me? I know I have it on YouTube. Oh, how am I gonna find this? I know how I'm gonna find this. From studio. Cause you can't search the videos, but I can search the videos. Is that a 12-hour stream? Or is that the 24-hour stream? I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. So we go to, this is Beautiful Me. If it loads. There's Femboy Anthony. If that's what you really want, chat. You can go back to programming now. But anyway, today was fun. I'm a little sad that Deck didn't meet up to its hype for this one. Although it makes sense because getting the nodes instantly was important. And so shitty linkless it was. But anyway, that wraps us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send y'all off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find previous streams, as well as solutions to Advent of Code problems, and daily educational videos on various topics from Python to Git to DevOps to Docker to whatever you want to know. You ask questions, and I answer them and upload them to YouTube. I normally stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, and I announce my streams in two places. One of those is Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony, so follow me there, where I announce streams and then start. I also, shitpost about other stuff, like my eventually consistent sleep schedule. And join the Discord. Because the Discord. Join the Discord. Anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.